All right, guys, check this one out. You're looking at a custom fitted grill set we just had done for a customer. Now, this one here is 925 sterling silver. Now, what that is 92.5% pure silver, guys. It's a precious metal. It's made handmade. And you can see these cuts in between. Now, this is the Perm Cuts, okay? These are permanent cut custom grills. Okay, gives it a nice individualized look. You see that? Now, it is still a one-piece grill. You look at the back side, and it's still all connected on the bottom, but it is cut in the front, gives it that nice perm look. Okay, now this is available on our website, blingcartel.com. Check us out. You check the link in the description, it takes you right to the product. It's available for purchase, free shipping in the US. You get a free mold kit with your purchase, customer support on the phone or email. We take care of you guys. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.